Write surname meaning in history presented by coadb.com. First, the surname meaning. Wright is an English, Scottish, and Northern Irish occupational name for a maker of machinery, mostly of wood, derived from the Old English word meaning craftsman. When used in isolation, it generally refers to a builder of windmills or watermills. Early bearers of the surname include Patere Writh in County Sussex in year 1214, as well as Robert and Roger Wright, found in Cambridgeshire in the year 1273 AD. Noble titles held: the Baronetcy of Denington in County Suffolk, created in 1646 for Benjamin Wright, London merchant. The Baronetcy of Dagenham, County Sussex, created in 1660 for Henry Wright, Member of Parliament. The Baronetcy of Cranham Hall, County Sussex, created in 1660 for Sir Benjamin Wright, Sheriff of Essex. The Baronetcy of Venice, created 1772 for Sir James Wright, diplomat. The Baronetcy of Carolside, County Berwick, created 1772 for Sir James Wright, Governor of Carolina and Virginia. Estates and homes: Cranham Hall, County Essex. Kelvedon Hall, Essex. Early settlers: Robert Wright, Virginia, 1623. Horton Wright, Virginia, 1625. Richard Wright, Massachusetts, 1630. Alice Wright, Virginia, 1635. And John Wright, Newfoundland, Canada, 1730. Notables: Frances Wright, a Scottish-born lecturer, writer, feminist, utopian socialist, abolitionist, and social reformer, as well as Catherine Wright, a high school teacher and the sister of the Wright brothers, who helped manage the bicycle shop and assisted the brothers with other important functions. Landed gentry: Wright of Kelvedon, Wright of Mottram Hall in Cheshire, Wright of Hatfield Priory in Essex, Wright of Bolton Hall in Yorkshire, Wright of Castle Park, Wright of Wootton Court, Wright of Maperley, coats of arms. If you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com.